Hello guys, this is Abhishek Manjani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about computer science fundamentals and what importance they play when you are appearing for your tech interview. Also, we will discuss about some of the resources that you can refer in order to prepare. So before we begin with the video, I will request you to please subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all the tech related content. So now let's begin with the video. So computer science fundamental basically comprises of subjects like operating system, object-oriented programming, computer networks, database management system, and system design. So why are actually they so much important when you are preparing for your interviews? So most of us do a mistake that we think that the interviews will completely be focused on data structures and algorithms, and we neglect this part. So let me give you some examples which will help you understand the importance of these computer science fundamentals when you are appearing for your interview. So if you are appearing for the interview of company like DShaw, so DShaw will not only ask the data structures and algorithms questions, but they will also ask questions related to operating system, computer networks, object-oriented programming, and the questions will not only be based on the theoretical knowledge but will also judge your understanding regarding these subjects. Adobe is another company that has the similar pattern in which the interview is not only focused on data structures and algorithms but is also focused on the subject knowledge. Now let's talk about Intuit. So Intuit judges your data structures and algorithm ability in the coding round itself. So the interview is majorly focused on computer science fundamentals itself. Other than this, companies like Codenation have a dedicated round which is completely based on project discussion and resume discussion. So, other than data structures and algorithms, these computer science fundamentals and resume and project discussion also plays a major role if you want to actually get through the interview. So I just took the example of some of the companies. There are many such companies which actually focus on computer science fundamentals and not just data structures and algorithms. So now let's move to some of the resources that you can refer in order to prepare well for these subjects. So first let's talk about system design. So in order to study for system design, you can refer to this site called InterviewBit. You can study about the basic terminology of system design using the level 1. And based on that, there are certain problems that you can solve and refer to the solution of these problems in order to understand about the system design. Another link that you can refer for studying system design is this video. So this person has actually made some very good videos regarding the system design. So he has explained about the system design of problems like parking lot, WhatsApp, Uber, Google Maps, etc. So now let's talk about operating system. So in order to study about operating system, you can refer to this site. If you want to focus on certain topic and you want to study a topic in very detail, then you can refer to Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks offers some of the amazing tutorials which are very detailed and will help you understand each and every topic of operating system. Now let's talk about computer networks. So again, you can refer to the same site in order to study for the computer networks in brief. So you can study about the different layers, the operation of different layers in a computer network, etc. from this site. Also, if you want to study any of the topics in detail, you can again refer to Geeks for Geeks and study any topic that you wish to in detail. Now let's talk about object-oriented programming. So object-oriented programming is a very important thing when you are appearing for an interview. So here are some resources that you can refer to in order to study for C++ object-oriented programming. So most of the questions that you will be facing in an interview related to object-oriented programming will be from Geeks for Geeks itself. So you can refer to these tutorials in order to master object-oriented programming. You can find the tutorials for other languages as well on GFG itself. Now the next thing is database management system. So again, in order to go for the theoretical information regarding the database management system, you can refer to the same site that we were using before. So you can study about the characteristics of database management system, the relational and non-relational databases, and how the databases are actually stored using B-trees. In order to study any topic in detail, you can just refer to Geeks for Geeks again. So whichever topic you actually wish to study, you can just select that topic and study from Geeks for Geeks as well. So now let's talk about how to practice database management system. So it is more of a practical topic rather than just a theoretical topic. So you may be asked to write a SQL query regarding certain question. So in order to practice some of the SQL, you can refer to LeetCode. They have certain good amount of questions that you can solve in order to practice the practicals of database management system and SQL queries. So it is obviously not possible to study each and every topic for each and every subject that I have mentioned. So you can refer to this list that I have uploaded on LinkedIn in order to study for just important topics rather than all the topics for the subject. Now let's just talk about the priorities that you can set in order to prepare for these subjects. So the first priority should obviously be data structures and algorithms, because this plays the major role when you are appearing for your coding round as well as for your interviews. In terms of subjects, if you are preparing for your internship or a fresher full-time role, then you must give priority to subjects like operating systems and object-oriented programming. These are the two subjects that are most important out of the 5 subjects we have discussed. The next thing that you must do should be the SQL queries. So many technical interviews are based on writing the SQL queries. So that is another important thing that you must do. The fourth thing that you must do is the computer networks, and the final and the last thing is the system design. So if you are applying for an internship or a fresher role, then system design is a little rare topic. But if you are applying for an experienced profile, then system design becomes a very important topic. So all the links that I have discussed in this video are added to the description section. You can just refer through those links and study and prepare well for the computer science fundamentals and subjects. Also, in order to prepare for your resume discussion and project discussion, you can refer to the video that I have made. So I think that's all for this video. If you have any doubt regarding any specific topic related to any specific subject, I can make a separate video. So if you have any doubt, you can just comment it in the comment section, and I will certainly try to make a separate video regarding that specific topic. So I hope you enjoyed the content, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that this video will help you in preparing for your upcoming tech interviews. So if you like the video, if you like the content, do press the like button, do comment and subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all the tech related content. Okay, bye bye.